everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now it's very difficult to say no to sweets, and I think we all love sweets, and especially if it's homemade sweets, it's a double delight. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make this incredibly delicious and rich Doodh Peda with a twist. So we're going to make chocolate stuffed Doodh Pedas. Now I've made this khoya from scratch at home. This is homemade khoya. The link to make this khoya will be given in the description box. So you can check out the link and make the khoya, and you can also try this wonderful sweet recipe. So let's get started and check it out. For the chocolate stuffed pedas, I'm just chopping a few pieces of chocolate. Now this is cooking chocolate. You can also use regular milk chocolate. So I'm just chopping a small piece, more like a bite size. So when you stuff it in, it will be perfect. Keep this aside. For the Doodh Peda, take a nice white pan. To this I'm going to add half cup of full fat milk. I'm using 125 grams of freshly homemade khoya. This is unsweetened khoya or mawa. Now I've already made a video on how to make homemade khoya. I'll give the link in the description box, so you can check out that link and you can watch the recipe and you can make your own homemade khoya to make any of these sweets. Keep the flame on low throughout. You don't want to burn the milk and the khoya. After about 2 minutes, add half cup of milk powder. So if you don't want to use milk powder, another option for that is you can add extra khoya or mawa, that is about 200 to 250 grams, and you can also use condensed milk instead of milk powder. I'm increasing the flame to a medium just to thicken the mixture. You need to consistently keep stirring it, have to keep mixing it, you don't want it to get burnt. I would recommend a non-stick pan for this. You can see the mixture is thickening beautifully. At this point, I'm just going to add some sugar. I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust the sugar according to your taste. Next, I'm adding a few drops of rose essence. Now if you don't have rose essence, you can use cardamom powder. You can see the mixture is coming together so beautifully. Next, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. So after adding the ghee, continue to cook for a few minutes on low flame till all the ghee is absorbed. So you can see the Doodh Peda mixtures come together so beautifully. All the excess moisture is evaporated with this lovely, beautiful, thick and rich consistency. You can see the Doodh Peda mixture is done. It's got a nice thick mass consistency. So when you roll it into pedas, they should be able to bind well. Keep this aside. Now I'm going to start making the pedas. So take a little bit of the peda mixture. Just roll it in your palm. Now you can just dab a little bit of ghee on your palms so that it doesn't stick, or if you want to get it nice and smooth, just flatten it. Gently press it in the center. So the mixture is still warm. I'm taking a small piece of the chocolate. So when you place the piece of chocolate, when the peda mixture is still a little hot or warm, so the chocolate will melt, and when you bite into it, it will be really nice and gooey. So there you go, here is this incredibly delicious chocolate stuffed Doodh Pedas. Now you can see that gooey chocolate that just melted, and you open it, you can actually see it. So you can use either cooking chocolate, that is sweet chocolate, or milk chocolate, it's up to you. So this is a nice variation from the regular Doodh Pedas that you've had. So do try this recipe, enjoy, and post your comments and feedback, and let me know how it turned out for you guys.